Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Hakakat arterik matob na rempang arajar arpo, kakanhuan ka baterai na kabenta, kabhakamiat bat na kabenta ka hok Jong Khynnah. Yak balatem kum ka Childline Shillong. Kala Rakhe yak Jingdap laipos Snem kanti ha ka Jingïada lenti Jong ni kaseng ban chakri yak imlang salang na kabenta ka Jingpha Jong Khynnah. Kamat phang Jong ni ka Rakhe ka dei ka balaong ha ka English. Ka baong does my childhood matters. But ha ka ni ka Rakhe ha ka ni kasngi lai dang kat ru ulam phang ka ying dot ba thau an ka jalla. Uba medba lengdo kum kongsan ringkat ka Shongkonor Jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ka kong mina khat kangor kum ka sambot kongsan bat ki wedi ki officer sarkar bat ki balasakor sobha shakni ki Rakhe.
We are not saying just for the sake of saying, but you are the future of the next generation. You are the future of the next generation. You'll be the director of one of the society or organization or NGO. You'll be one of the very important person one day. You will play a very, very important role when you grow up. It always, you've been expressed from place to place and from time to time. Service to humankind is service to God. I am very happy to know Father Jidessis, who is the director. It's not an easy job, an easy task to be in this mission. And I'm glad that the government of India also has extended this mission for the entire country, and you are also a part of that. In my constituency also you have villages that you have adopted to find out and look out for those children who are in need of our help. It is true, but not only in my constituency, it is for the entire state, for the entire Northeast, whatever missions that you have. It is very true, especially for those children or families who are in the rural areas. And you'll come across many families also in Shillong. But basically those are the families who have migrated from rural to Shillong, to the urban areas, expecting a kind of how to support the livelihood of the families. And there are a lot of constraints, a lot of difficulties that they face. For me, especially people from my constituency, I keep on meeting them. A lot of them, they have come to Shillong. A lot of them, they go here and there to find a place where they can support the family. And I really, I have to say salam to all these organizations, the homes, where you have in most of the places in Shillong. And I understand that you have one in East Jangtay Hills, and very few more you would like to extend these services to other places.
Please, paper dance competition. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Shillong Children's Home and Jing Thank you.